Hello guys, welcome back to another Android application development tutorial. In this video we are going to learn about how to use radio buttons in Android application. First, here I am going to place a text view. Create constraints for the text view. Create margin at the top side. Align the text view to the left side. Now change the text on it. So before going to add the radio group, here I am going to place a horizontal guideline so that we can easily create constraints at the top. So here I create a horizontal guideline. Now we can place the radio group. So here I use a radio group because here we are going to handle a mutually exclusive event using the radio buttons. So now the radio group is ready. Now we can add the radio button into the radio group. I place two radio buttons inside the radio group. So here the radio group has a vertical orientation. I am going to change the orientation into horizontal. Now select the first radio button. Change text for it. Now select the second one. Now create a margin on the left side of the second radio button. Now we can create ID for the radio buttons. First one is yes radio. Now select the second one. This is no radio. Now we can create an on-click method for these two radio buttons. So open main activity and create an on-click method. I name the method as onRadioButtonSelected. Now specify the on-click method within the layout file. Select the first one. Select the on-click method. Now select the second radio button and select the same on-click method. Now go to main activity. Now we can handle. So here I create a separate method for display information to the user. Now we can handle the click events of the radio button. First we need to check whether the radio button selected or not. So typecast this one into radio button and here use the method isCheck. Now we need to identify which one is selected by the user. For that, here I use a switch case statement. Here is the first case. If it is a yes radio button and check if it is checked. In that case, display message attending yes. Now break the statement. Now use the second case. Second case is no radio. Here it is no. Now the application is ready. Now we can test it. So I run the project. Now the application available on this virtual device. I select the first radio button. Now select the second one. So this is how we use radio buttons in an Android application. I hope you understand the concept. For getting more Android tutorial updates, please subscribe this channel now. Also click the bell icon for getting new upload notification. Thank you for watching.